In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the homepage in Microsoft Edge. Whether you want to set your favorite website as your start page or customize what appears when you open your browser, this quick guide will walk you through each step. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. You can do this by double-clicking the Edge icon on your desktop or finding it through the Start menu. Once Edge is opened, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This is the Settings and More menu. From the drop-down list, select Settings. In the Settings panel, locate and click on Start, Home, and New tabs from the left-hand sidebar. This section allows you to control what you see when Edge launches or when you click the Home button. Now, under the When Edge Starts section, you'll see a few options. You can choose to open a new tab, continue where you left off, or open a specific page or pages. To set a custom homepage, select Open these pages. Next, click Add a new page. A small box will appear. Here, type the URL of the website you want as your homepage. For example, if you want Google, type www.google.com, then click Add. If you'd like to add more than one homepage, simply repeat the process by clicking Add a new page again and entering another URL. Finally, close the Settings tab and restart your browser to see your new homepage in action. Now, every time you open Microsoft Edge, it will automatically load your chosen site or sites, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Microsoft Edge homepage. It's a simple tweak, but it can make your browsing experience faster and more personalized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful Microsoft Edge tips.